Introduction: sorting is a crucial operation in programming. JavaScript provides the array sort method to help with sorting array elements. The method is not straightforward and can lead to unexpected results if not understood correctly. Understanding JavaScript array sort method: the array sort method converts each element into a string and compares their sequence of UTF-16 code unit values to perform the sort. For example, sorting 40, 100, 15, 25, 10 results in 110, 100, 25, 45, as elements are sorted according to their Unicode values. Sorting numeric arrays. To sort numeric arrays correctly, a compare function should be passed as an argument to the sort method. Example: sorting 40, 100, 15, 25, 10 with a compare function results in 15, 10, 25, 40, 100. Sorting string arrays. When sorting strings, the sort method works well without a compare function. Example: sorting John, Bob, Alice, Mary results in Alice, Bob, Mary. Tips and tricks. Always use a compare function for sorting numerical arrays. Sort modifies the original array. To keep the original array unchanged, make a copy using slice and then sort the copy. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Not using a compare function with numeric arrays is a common mistake. Remember that sort modifies the original array. To keep the original array intact, create a copy before sorting. Conclusion: understanding the JavaScript array sort method is essential for any developer. Key points: use a compare function for sorting numerical arrays and be aware that sort modifies the original array.